music is addressed to my people, especially to make them more curious about where they came from and their own identity and pride in that identity.
Hey cousins, welcome back. So I actually did another haul, but this one wasn't for seeds. This one was just for like supplies and stuff. I went to my local Dollar Tree and picked up, like, your girl hit a lick. Okay, so I know I didn't do the It's Your Girl Rogue, all of that, but I'm excited to show y'all what I got. First, I went to Walmart, and I know these aren't Dollar Tree, whatever, but these were 89 cents. So they're better than Dollar Tree. They were less than $1. I believe I got 15 of them. And these are great for like the plants that I start, and then I give away to people. This is perfect for that. And literally they show you where you just drill a little hole at the bottom, and that is your drainage. These are so good. So if you go to your local Walmart, you know I'm not that big of a fan of like big box stores, but your local Walmart, these are 89 cents. So go clean them out. You can even order them online. I don't have a link to them. I will try to find one and post it in the description box below. But let's get into it. So first things first, my local Dollar Tree has all of the Christmas stuff for 75% off. Okay, so I went a little crazy. So I have these. I'm going to be using a lot of this stuff with the products that I will be making. So like my candles, my bath products, my candle melts, all of that. This is just like a cute little way to show them off. And y'all, I got a lot. This was cute for my house. I could like put it at the door, put it like right outside the door. I'm gonna show you all the Christmas stuff and all the non-gardening related items first. These two are cute just to hang around the house or in the windows. Did I have any more Christmas stuff? I felt like I did. Oh yes, I have these. So I purchased these little trees also so that I can put my tea light candles in them. And these were 75% off also. This is for my door. It's not an actual bell in here. I see my littles, they are running around down there playing. These were not, this is crazy because it's Christmas time and these are clearly fall Thanksgiving items. Excuse paging gap downstairs being loud. These are clearly Thanksgiving items or fall items, but these were regular price. What else? Ooh, I don't know if y'all know, I have like an intense kind of mug collection. Like, I just have mugs. I purchased a lot of mugs. So this kind of sums it up for me. I mean, I'm not naughty, I'm not nice all the time. But I tried the best I could. Let's see. Oh, some stuff for the office. I got this where it says sarcasm welcome, because we're a very sarcastic house. This is probably gonna go on the wall somewhere in my office, or like right outside the door. That would be perfect, right outside the door. This was cute. It's like a little laundry. It shows you like what each of the symbols on your laundry mean. And then this is like a little laundry room saying here. Let's put this a little closer so y'all can see what it says. Hold on, y'all, I have to be a parent. Hey, don't stop this about those. Let's go. Sorry. We just redid Peyton's room, so got this. This was really pretty, and like it moves. So she's gonna love that. Whew. I mean, any day except for the weekend should be optional, but seeing as I work weekends also, Mondays should be optional. Oh, this is definitely going in my office. You did not wake up to be mediocre. Okay? All of that's coming in, or it will be like somewhere in my house. Somewhere. I also got like some little cookbooks. I love a good Dollar Tree cookbook. I thought I had 2 of them. What I'm not showing is I bought Peyton 3 coloring books. You already know Paige got that day, like as soon as I walked in the house, she was on it. Where's my coloring books? So she doesn't know I got her a little calendar because we redid her room, and it is all rainbows and unicorns and all that frilly stuff. This is not from Dollar Tree, but this is her hat. This is the her muse, the inspiration for her room. So I have 2. Okay, y'all don't judge me. I'm not good with houseplants, but this one is like on its last leg. I have another one that literally just failed and I think was trying to commit suicide. So I am trying to replant them in water instead of soil because the main problem is they're not getting enough water. I'm just not focusing on them like I guess I should. So I did get some beads and stuff for the water. I got a couple different ones because my colors in my living room are red and brown with a little bit of gray. Well, sorry, let me say that. Let me rephrase it. It's because my couch is now gray. It's red, black, and gray with a little bit of brown, like just to add a little tone to it. So I got some red sand to go with that. Just to make it cute and pretty and something that I would want to look at when I come in the house and I would remember to water. So with all of that out of the way, let's get to what you really came here for, okay? We really know that you came here for all the gardening things that I got from there, and there is one thing that is like coveted that I am so happy that I was able to get. But let's start with the small stuff that I didn't expect to buy. So I did go there to see like what seeds they had because I was going to do a seed haul for y'all, and if I find a Dollar Tree in my town, because we have like 5 of them that has seeds, I will make a video for y'all. I might make a germination video for the seeds to see how they germinate compared to the expensive seeds that I get, because I did order some rare exotics. I ordered seeds from Rare Exotic Seeds this morning. I have my Baker's Creek, of course, and then I have some from Amazon, like my fenugreek comes from Amazon, and I do some Etsy shops that sell seeds like what are these? Victory seeds. Victory seeds, I have them also. But this is, the brand is called Rocket Herb, and this is sweet basil, this is thyme, and this is dill. Okay, so basically the premise is I take this little thing, whatever it is in here, you know what, I'm gonna just do a whole video for y'all so we don't have to do this. But I take this, I put it in the soil, and I water, and then the plant grows. Okay. And the germination is 10 to 20 days on all of them. So 10 to 20 days, partial sun, and I should have thyme, sweet basil, and dill. we'll see how that goes. That will be a video that will be coming up, coming soon. And when after I film it, I will update this video so that you all have a link to it if you want to see it. I got some clips, and of course they're pink because, you know, I love pink. But got some pink clips that I can use in my garden. I got some more tools because my old ones trying to break my table. My old ones are looking a little rough. They've been through a couple of years, not even seasons, years with me. So I got some more tools to use. That's Grant. Say hi. Peyton is saying this is his first video. Close the door, please. So these tools, if you can see, okay, you see them? If you have them at your local Dollar Tree, get them. I will be making a video using these tools while gardening. So get you some of these tools, and it comes with 2 different sizes in here, and it's just so that you can poke holes with these tools, and they're very sharp and they work very, very well. I purchased some spray bottles that I can use. My cinnamon water, I can put that in the spray bottles. These are some applicator bottles. You know, I'm good for using an applicator bottle. And when I can, for my hair being this length, it's easier to use this much in an applicator bottle than using a full applicator bottle because I won't go through it. Now, if I decide to let it grow out next year, then I will need to get larger applicator bottles. I was able to also find these little glass jars. These are cute. So like if someone wants a sample or something from me, I can easily put it in these little jars and just give it to them. And I mean, the jars are 25 cents. So because they're $1 and it's 4 of them. So 25 cents a jar, that's nothing. And these also, these are so cute. And get it from your local Dollar Tree. Let me show you the brand on this. It's the same company. I'm gonna actually try to go to Crafter Square. That is the company that makes these, and see like if they have these online on their website also. Because these are little sturdy jars, because baby, we've been throwing this stuff around and it's been surviving. Yeah, I purchased a lot of those. A lot of spray bottles, a lot of applicators. I did get me some of these so that I can do some for my herbs. These are going to be for my herbs. I cannot wait. I bought 5 of them. I'm probably going to fill those up really fast. Grant is over there. He just found the gardening tools, so he is very happy. That's for when we're like putting stuff in the sink. I mean, in the dirt. Yes. So, the soil. So my thing 1 and thing 2 like to help me in the garden. So I got them their own little gardening. I mean not gardening, watering cans. So they can come help mommy water. He just saw it. He's so excited. You like it? Is it in your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite.
I mean, it's turquoise, but it's close to blue. Okay?
It is. It's turquoise blue.
It's like blue and green together.
Cool. Wait. Is that the house of the
Stop, Grant. All right, this is it. Grant, stop. He's using the tool and scraping it across my glass table, y'all. Come get him. Y'all want a y'all little cousin? Anybody want y'all nephew? Come get him. Okay.
No.
So this is why I like these are so coveted, and I wanted them so bad. They're made by Garden Collection. Okay, so they're super simple. You just take them and you turn it and you sit it on it like that, and I can stack them all the way up and have my little vertical garden. I'm so excited that I found these. These were all that was there, so I apologize to anyone who goes to the store that I went to afterwards. I probably won't see this video, but I apologize. I do, because I bought all of them. Okay, so I'm gonna put my vertical garden probably on the front porch. Yeah, and then oh my God, I'm so happy to this. Like I the level of excitement that I have just for finding these, because I did not think that I would find them, especially if they're putting the gardening stuff out early. I did not think I would find it. Okay, so that's it. That was my haul from Dollar Tree. And I just had the receipt somewhere because I believe, oh, and I got some milk duds because I love milk duds. My total was, I believe, $74 and some cents. So I feel like with everything that I got, I did good because I got way more than $100 worth of goods, and I only spent $70 on it. So that's that. I want y'all to have a great day. Happy New Year, because this will be my first video of the new year. So happy New Year. So happy. Let me know what your gardening goals are or what your gardening plans are for 2021. And I will see you guys later, and I will see you guys on Instagram. You can contact me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I just got it. Well, I've been having the Twitter. I just started using my Twitter, so it's but yeah, find me there. I am so happy with all my purchases. Bless you. See, God blesses you. I am so excited about everything that I purchased. I can't wait to get to using everything. Oh, I forgot. With these, you don't have to like create you don't have to create holes or drainage because it's already in there. It already comes with its own little drainage. So yeah, that's it. Bye. If you enjoyed this video from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Comment, let us know what you want to see from us, because this channel is for you. Bye, cousins.